Do you want to take better pictures at night or use your iPhone to see clearly in the dark? Then this video is for you. Follow these simple steps to unlock an awesome trick. Firstly, open the camera app on your iPhone. At the top center, tap the arrow icon to access more settings. Then tap on the night mode button and adjust it to its maximum setting. Even if your iPhone is covered by a pillow or you are in total darkness, you will notice a faint white glow appearing, but there is more you can do to enhance it. Tap on the night mode button again. Now adjust the contrast settings by maximizing them. And just like that, your iPhone becomes a handy tool for seeing in the dark and capturing amazing pictures in low light. This trick is not only useful for photography, but also for finding your way in the dark. It is super simple and incredibly helpful, so make sure to share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.